Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll do an empty Parotta salna. For this, pour some oil in a pan. To this, add 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves, a small piece of cinnamon and 1 or 2 cardamom. To this, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give a nice saute. After sauteing ginger garlic paste, add 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Cook the onions till translucent. The onions are perfectly cooked now. To this, add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. The tomatoes has to be cooked properly, so we are going to close this and cook for a few minutes. The tomatoes are perfectly cooked here. Saute this. We are going to add the masalas. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Saute this till the raw smell goes off. Let us close and cook this for a few minutes. By the time we are going to grind some masala for this. Take 1/4 cup of coconut. To this, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 4 tablespoons of fried gram. Add enough water and grind it into a fine paste. By the time our onion and tomato mixture is ready, to this we are going to add our prepared masala. Mix this well and add around 4 cups of water. If you want your gravy to be thick, add less water, otherwise add enough water and make it thin. Bring this to a boil. Now add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. Now let us close this and cook till the oil oozes out. The oil has oozed out and our gravy is perfect now. Add some pepper powder to this. Our salna is ready and this will be a perfect combination for any kind of rotis. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.